Welcome to a brand new episode of the Oops English channel. I'm Lily, and today we are talking about everyone's absolute favorite way to study English.
Hey guys, I'm Sam. Are we talking about studying while sleeping? Because that is my dream.
Not quite, Sam. We are talking about learning English with music.
Oh, I love learning with music. I memorize the lyrics to all my favorite pop and hip-hop songs.
That is fantastic for your fluency, but it can actually be very dangerous for your grammar.
Wait, dangerous? But the singers are native speakers. Why would they teach me bad grammar?
That is the central problem we are solving today. Music teaches you English, but it doesn't always teach you correct English.
Oh boy, I think I might have learned some things wrong.
We are going to look at some famous musical mistakes, learn how to separate the good from the bad, and explore a metaphor about a racetrack.
A racetrack, like with fast cars? That sounds awesome.
It is! We will also cover 5 essential vocabulary words and finish with a big quiz. Let's get into it.
Okay, so, Lily, remember my boss Claire, the very professional, elegant lady?
Yes, of course. Claire is very serious. What did you do this time, Sam?
Well, we were in a budget meeting, and she asked if we had enough money for the new marketing project.
Okay, and what exactly did you say to her?
I wanted to sound supernatural and confident, so I used a phrase I learned from a very famous hip-hop song.
Oh no. Sam, please tell me the exact words you said to your boss.
I looked at her and said, Claire, we ain't got no money in the bank, baby.
You said, "We ain't got no money, baby," to Claire?
Yes, and her face, she looked over her glasses at me in absolute shock. The room went completely silent.
Sam, that is a perfect example of why music can be a trap.
I don't understand. The song was a #1 hit worldwide. Why was it wrong for the meeting?
Because artists use something called poetic license.
Poetic license. Is that a real document, like a driver's license?
No, poetic license means the freedom artists take to break the rules for artistic effect.
Oh, so they break the grammar rules on purpose, so the words sound good with the melody.
Yes, there is a huge difference between saying, "I learned this in a song," and saying, "This is correct English."
Wow, I need to be careful. What are our 5 essential words for today?
They are poetic license, slang, informal, rhythm, and internalize.
Wait, internalize. What does that mean?
To internalize means absorbing the language naturally, without conscious effort.
Ah, like when a catchy song is stuck in my head all day and I just sing the words without thinking.
Exactly. And that brings us to what music does very well.
Okay, give me the good news first. Why should I use music to learn?
Because music is amazing for internalizing pronunciation and natural rhythm.
Yeah. When I sing, my accent actually sounds much better.
It does. Music also teaches you emotional and expressive vocabulary, words about heartbreak, joy, and anger.
That's true. And it teaches a lot of idiomatic expressions, right?
Yes, idiomatic means relating to idioms, which are fixed natural expressions, like "cry me a river."
And the best part is the motivation. You learn without even realizing you are studying.
Precisely. But now we must talk about what music does not do well.
Okay, the bad news. What should I never learn from pop songs?
Number 1, formal grammar. Singers break grammar rules constantly.
Right. What is number 2?
Number 2, full, complete sentences. Singers drop the subject of a sentence to save time.
Oh, like saying going to the store instead of I am going to the store.
Exactly. And number 3, music does not teach you about register.
Register. Like a cash register at a supermarket?
No, register means the level of formality appropriate to a situation.
Oh, like using casual words with my friend Jake, but formal words with my boss Claire.
Spot on. That was your mistake, Sam. Music uses a lot of slang. Slang is very informal language.
And slang works great in a music video, but it sounds terrible in a professional meeting.
Exactly. Let's look at some real examples of poetic license in famous songs.
I want to hear these. Give me a famous grammar mistake.
Think about Justin Bieber's famous song, Love Yourself. He sings, "My mama don't like you."
Wait, my mama don't? But mama is she. Shouldn't it be my mama doesn't like you?
Yes, in standard English, it is doesn't. But doesn't has two syllables. Don't has one.
Ah, he used don't because it fits the rhythm of the melody better.
Exactly. Another famous example is the double negative. I can't get no satisfaction.
Oh, from the Rolling Stones. I can't get no. Wait, that's two negatives in one sentence.
Correct. In standard English, you should say I can't get any satisfaction.
Wow, so millions of English learners are copying these intentional mistakes without knowing.
Yes, singers also use extreme contractions like gonna, wanna, and gotta that are too informal for writing.
So how do we use music intelligently? Should I just stop listening?
Never. Just follow a simple process. Step 1, listen first to absorb the rhythm and emotion.
Okay, enjoy the music first. Step 2?
Read the lyrics, become a detective, and identify what is correct and what is poetic license.
Ah, I separate the good natural expressions from the intentional grammar mistakes.
Yes. Step 3, use the good expressions and throw away the grammar errors.
And what about shadowing? I love repeating the lyrics while the song is playing.
Shadowing with music is great for pronunciation, but you must remember that you are practicing speed, not grammar.
That makes perfect sense. Let's talk about the context scale, Lily. Where can I use these words?
Good idea. On a casual level with a close friend, musical slang might be okay.
Right, I can say, I ain't got time for this to my roommate, and he will just laugh.
Exactly. But on a professional level or in an interview, you never use it.
Yeah, I learned that the hard way with Claire. What never works outside of a recording studio?
Screaming, "Yeah, baby," after every sentence.
People would definitely think I was crazy. So what are the common mistakes students make?
Mistake number 1 is memorizing entire lyrics and thinking they are standard formal English.
Mistake number 2 is using musical slang in professional contexts, like my hip-hop disaster.
Exactly. Mistake number 3 is assuming that because you understand a song, you understand real-life spoken English.
Oh, that's a trap. A song is planned and rehearsed. Real conversation is spontaneous.
Spot on, Sam. And the final mistake is ignoring music completely because you are afraid of learning wrong.
We shouldn't throw the tool away just because we need to read the instructions.
I love that. This brings us perfectly to our visual metaphor for today.
Oh, the racetrack. I've been waiting for this. Lay it on me.
Learning English with music is exactly like learning to drive a car on a professional racetrack.
Okay, so I'm driving fast, feeling the emotion, and building my confidence.
Exactly. You develop amazing instinct and speed, but the rules of the racetrack are very different from the rules of the public road.
Wow, so I can't drive 200 miles per hour on a city street just because I did it on the track.
Precisely. You need both experiences to be a great driver, but you must know when you are on the track and when you're on the public road.
That is brilliant. The meeting with Claire was a public road, and I treated it like a hip-hop racetrack.
You definitely did. Let's see if you can navigate the road safely in our quiz today.
Start your engines. I'm ready for the quiz.
Question 1. What do we call the freedom artists take to break grammar rules for artistic reasons?
That is poetic license. They break the rules to fit the melody.
Correct. Question 2. What does the word internalize mean?
It means to absorb the language naturally without thinking about it, like getting a song stuck in your head.
Spot on, Sam. Question 3. What is register in English? Is it a machine or a level of formality?
It is the level of formality, knowing how to speak differently to a boss and to a friend.
Perfect. Question 4. Why do singers often say he don't instead of he doesn't?
Because doesn't has two syllables and don't has one. It fits the rhythm better.
Exactly. Question 5. What is the racetrack metaphor?
Music is the fast racetrack to build confidence, but real conversation is the public road with different rules.
Excellent, Sam. Now let's practice some good, safe phrases for the public road.
I'm ready for the smart practice. I will repeat after you.
I don't have the budget for this.
I don't have the budget for this. That is what I should have told Claire.
Correct. Let's try one more professional alternative.
Let's do it.
We currently lack the funds.
We currently lack the funds. Oh, that sounds very elegant and polite.
It does. You did great today, Sam. You are officially a safe driver.
Yeah, I feel much more confident listening to my playlist now. I will be a grammar detective.
Music is a beautiful tool. Just remember to check the register before you use the words in a meeting.
Oh, before we go, guys, if you want to internalize great English every single day, hit that subscribe button.
Yes, subscribing is the absolute best way to stay on the right track with your learning journey.
It helps us create more content for you. Tell us in the comments, what is an English song that taught you a great word or expression?
I can't wait to read your musical memories. See you tomorrow, everyone.